Muscle Flexors. Today, in this episode, we're gonna be doing 5 minute series of toe touches. So stay tuned. Come on, guys, you got 10 seconds. Get ready for your workout. Put your legs up and reach for your toes. Take your 10-second break. Make sure you guys are breathing. Keep that core tight and push on. Come on, guys, I'm learning with you guys as well. I'm fighting the pain with you guys. Come on. Man, I'm starting to feel that pain, man. This is for real. Come on. Come on, let's go. And if you guys can't touch your toes, try to go as high as possible as you can. That's okay. You can physically touch your toes. Oh my goodness. Do not give up, guys. Definitely as you proceed through the workout, your core gets tighter and it gets harder for you to actually touch your toes. But just push yourself and try to reach them toes. Six. Come on. Don't give up. Breathe, relax. If 10 seconds is too short for you guys, take a longer break. It's okay. But if it's just fine, keep going. Come on, we're almost there. We got 4 more rounds. Come on, guys. 5 minutes to get that 6-pack. Come on. Push it. Come on. 3 more rounds, baby. 3 more rounds. Come on. We got this. Stay strong, baby. Stay strong. Let's go. Push is a national term that means it's freaking working. Push. Come on, baby. Hey. Whoosh. One more, baby. Last round. Come on. This for the champions. This for the people that really want it. Come on. Woo. Yeah, baby. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know I did. You can tell I'm over here dripping. So if I'm dripping, I'm sure you're dripping. If you did the workout with me. If you guys did enjoy it, make sure you help your boy out with a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you click the red button down below and subscribe for more content about fitness, about getting physically better. And that's it, man. Stay tuned for the next episode. I'm gonna try to bust it out hopefully by the end of the week. So I'll try to finish this one today. So until then, y'all stay flexing, and I'll catch you on the next one.